Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this shirt I got here. This one here is a striped, and I think it's pink, size large, because I wear a large. I'll show you guys what this one looks like here. It's nice, it's kind of a silky feel to it. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see it's the silkiness to it, but it's good. Comes pretty pressed and flat already, which is nice. Let's see if I can get the tag off of there. Okay. So this is what it is here. Let me go ahead and I'll put this one on and show you what it looks like on me. Take off this other shirt and put on this new shirt. Seems like it's gonna have pretty long sleeves, which is good. And it's got a nice look to it. Nice and silky smooth here. You can see, I'm just gonna, I'll button up another one here. You can see it's got good size cuffs. These are huge here now, but you can always button it up onto the other one to make it a little tighter, so that is good. It's got another button up here, like so it's got double buttons, which are very important. Got a good collar, nice strong collar that has got some solidness to it, which is good. So you could even put a button up here and have a tie. I got a size large and I'm about 190, close to 190 and about 5'10", so you get an idea of what it is here. And it goes down, good size there. I mean, people wear their shirts untucked and everything now. I could get away with that, or I could tuck it in and have a nice, more formal look for this. This is good. And figured pink looks good, whatever. So nice, and there we go. So I'm colorblind, so for me it doesn't matter the color. But there we go. I like it. Very good. And the arms are a good length. Look at that. I can put my arms out and still have some length there. So it's really good. Nice and comfortable and a good shirt. Totally awesome. I think I look great. So thumbs up for sure.